To reach the target of 15% of moisture inside the grain, the soybean plant will help you by moving with their visual aspect. In the last weeks before harvest, the soybean plant will move from a perfect green stage where the stem, the pods and the leaves are perfectly green. The stage is called R6. Few weeks later, the plant will move to a R7 stage, where the plant is moving to a perfect yellow stage, where the pods, stems are starting to be yellow, and the leaves are starting to fall down. Then the last stage is the R8 stage, where all the leaves have fallen down, the stem is perfectly brown, and the pods are also brown. This is the stage where you can decide to launch the combine into your field. Be careful, during warm days, the humidity inside the grain can evolve really rapidly from 20 to 15%, sometimes in one day. So you must be vigilant and decide as quick as you can to launch your harvest.